How to increase keyboard click volume on Android. Want to hear those satisfying clicks louder as you type on your Android device? Here's a quick and easy guide to help you increase your keyboard click volume. Open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down, locate Sound and Vibration. On this volume section, here you need to adjust the sliders or the volume sliders for media, ringtone, notifications, and alarm. Doing so will indirectly increase the keyboard click volume. Once done, exit from the sound and vibration page and open Notes on your device. Once you open it, add a new note and tap on the square icon on the keyboard. This will open the settings page of keyboard. Tap Preferences. Scroll down, toggle on the button for sound on key press, and tap volume on key press. Using the slider, increase the volume on the key press and tap OK. Toggle on the button for haptic feedback on key press. Once done, go back and write anything you want to. Once you try typing anything, you will see that it has increased the keyboard click volume on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe for more tech and tips, and thank you for watching.